Good morning again from East Central Indiana. This is the middle of August 2025, and I'm making this impromptu video because I just have this urgent desire to encourage people to make room for nature in your life. And making room for nature could be doing something on your balcony, or if you've got a yard, maybe you just want to let part of it just grow and see who comes in. I said in another video, first year or two here, I planted over 300 shrubs and small trees. Yeah, I dug probably about 280 of those holes and did them myself. I had a little bit of help. Yep, looks woolly, doesn't it? But I have so many medicinal, edible, beautiful, life-giving plants here now. And I do selectively remove some. But what I do first is I research them. I find out about them. I learn about what their role is in the landscape and their traditional relationship with humans. I don't just take a bulldozer approach. I encourage life. Don't use herbicides, pesticides. I get plenty of veggies from my veggie garden, if you can call it that. My veggie garden is actually spread out all over this whole place. I get food and medicine, fuel for the fireplace, beauty. You hear that? You might recognize some of these things. Some of these things you might find in somebody's vegetable garden or herb garden. This is not an identification hike. This is an appreciation hike. By the way, these are volunteers. They showed up when the herbicides and the mowing stopped. There's still some mowing. I make paths. And some of them start to kind of close in. I just startled a hummingbird. It's such a temptation to want to introduce you to everything and everybody that we encounter here. But I'm not going to do that on this video. When I moved here, it was just all mowed, and I think there were some places where there were herbicides used. And I don't use herbicides. And I don't mow it all down. See the butterfly? As I said before in another video, if it doesn't appeal to you, if it just looks like a mess, you just keep on scrolling. What I want to do is point out that nature does some amazing things if you just let it. This yard is full of very helpful plants, of wonderful wildlife, especially birds, but not just birds. So think about how you can encourage nature today. Think about how you can just let that plant that you don't recognize grow a little bit. Figure out what it is. Figure out what insects or birds or other animals might benefit from it. Oh heck, you might benefit from it yourself. I had a teacher once who told me, God is in the details. So learn about the nature around you. Might not be much. Might be something just growing up through the gravel. But I think you'll be blessed by it if you start taking that approach. It'll help you focus on the good things that are around you that you don't even recognize as good things.